Mataram, dear students. Today we will start the first part of Unit 1 of English subject of Standard 7th. And the first part is about the story 3 questions. Okay, so shall we start the story? Okay, so let's start the story now. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, and what is the most important thing for him to do. So, what happened? There was a king, and he thought that he would never fail and he would succeed if he knew the three things. Which were the three things? First, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And what is the most important thing for him to do? ये तीन सवालों के जवाब मिलने से किंग को लगता था कि वो सब कुछ जीत सकता है. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. So, what did king do now? He sent messengers to find out the answer of that three questions, and the one who would answer them would be rewarded a lot of money, large sum of money. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. So, what happened now? Many wise men came to the king and answered differently. Some said for the first question का जवाब दिया कि king must prepare a timetable बनाना चाहिए and then follow it strictly, properly, so only he can do it. Whereas others told that it was not possible to decide in advance. So king was noticing what all were doing. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others, and the right time for the every action. So, what the wise men gave suggestion to the king. वाइस मैन सब आए थे, उन्होंने पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या दिया कि किंग मस्ट प्रिपेयर टाइम टेबल and follow it strictly, right? And so only he can do it. But others told it was not possible to decide in advance. So king should decide at that time only. And others said that king should make a council. What is council? Means a group of wise men who could help him, suggest him. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, It is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king, therefore, would have to go to magicians. So now other wise men told the king that king would have to go to magicians. जादूगरों के पास जाना चाहिए. Because some things can be urgent, for which they can't wait for the decision of the council. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. So now the turn came of second question. The answer for the most necessary people to the king were counselors, priests, doctors, soldiers. They all chose different answers. All gave different answers. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet other religious worship. As the answer to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So now the turn came of third question. Some said science, some said fighting, and some said religious worship. And as all the answers were very different, king was dissatisfied and he didn't give any reward to anyone. He now wanted to know the advice from a certain hermit. Who is hermit? Hermit is the person who lives alone and leads a simple life. He wanted to take the advice of that hermit, right? The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. Now, what happened? The king, putting on simple clothes, came alone to the hermit. Where the hermit lived? Hermit lived in a wood which he never left. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was very old and weak, and as he walked, he breathed heavily. So now the king reached near the hermit's hut. He saw him digging the ground in front of his hut. He was very old and he breathed very heavily while he was working. He greeted king and continued his work. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So now the king asked the hermit the 3 questions. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade, and then he sat down on the ground. So, king asked hermit the 3 questions, right? Now, hermit listened the king, but he did not give any reply. So, king told, you are tired, let me do your work. किंग को जब हर्मिट ने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया, किंग को लगा कि हर्मिट कुछ ज़्यादा बिजी था उसके काम में और वो थक गया होगा, इसलिए जवाब नहीं दे रहा था. So king told, "You are tired. Let me do your work and you take rest." And the hermit handed over his spade to the king and then he sat on the ground. So in this picture you can see this is the king and this is the hermit. Okay. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, "Now you rest and let me work." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, "I came to you, wise men, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home." "Here comes someone running." "Who said?" said the hermit. So, what happened now? The king was asking the 3 questions to hermit, but hermit was not replying him. So the king was digging the ground till the sun went behind the trees, but hermit gave no answer. And the angry king, he asked him if he would give him answer or not. Otherwise, he would go his home palace back. And hermit saw someone coming over near them, running. Okay, so students, did you all understood the first part of the story? We will continue the next session in the next part. Okay, so Vande Matram.